This sneaker hooked me up into liking sneaker. This some kind of particular shoe. It's my first time to have like a branded shoe, because way back in the Philippines we don't have that opportunity to have a quality shoes, or let's just say branded shoes. Was like very unfortunate way back when I was still in the Philippines, that we only can get what are the unbranded. So Reebok Pump, it's not the actual shoe per se, but it was somewhat like it is, because this one is the, what I could remember, it is the pump. So there you go. And there we got the Reebok Pump. So funny story thing is that it's not really meant for me. So my mom, she works overseas. If I'm not mistaken, she came from Hong Kong or Singapore way back then. So she went home and bring home a gift or pasalubong to my dad, and it is one of this kind of Reebok Pump. And funny thing is, and the thing is that my dad's retired from playing basketballs, because he's grown old and he got injured, so he gave it to me. And the good thing is we're almost just the same size. I think probably half down size, something like that. So I had to put extra socks so that I could wear it properly. So so I was happy way back then that I had a chance that I could wear a branded shoes. Like imagine in our area or in our province, if you are like wearing some branded shoes like Nike, Adidas, Puma, all those branded shoes, you were like, hey, they will like say, oh, you're rich or something like that. So it's just it's the feeling, good feeling that you that I had that moment way back that we could fortunate to wear something branded. So that is the story of me. How did I got into sneaker in the Philippines. So maybe I could share you more about the story when I got here in the US. So if you like that story, leave that comment down below. And how about you? What is your story? How did you got into the sneaker game? How did you got into sneaker? I would love to hear your thought. I would love to hear your story. Leave a comment down below and let's talk. So with that said, I hope you like this video. If you like it, can you please leave a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you next time. Peace. Bye bye.